The Assam government has come on record to claim that the recent RBI data shows that Assam is the fastest growing state in the country. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma had said that RBI data shows that Assam is growing at the rate of 45%. That's the economic growth rate of Assam as compared to the national average of 29%. So this in a state which even a decade back was seen conflict-ridden. There were issues of insurgency, and communication and infrastructure was a bottleneck. But in the past 2 decades, and particularly ever since the BJP-led government came to power in Assam since 2016, the Chief Minister says that the BJP-led government in Assam and the Modi government in center has prioritized not only peace in Assam but also overall growth, a push in terms of infrastructure, and now a push in terms of industrialization. Now, what is important to note is that Government of India, according to the Chief Minister, has decided that in the next World Economic Summit at Davos, along with the states like Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, which are seen as developed state, Assam will also be India's representative. So that is going to be the first state from Northeast to be part of Davos. This just goes to show how Government of India also recognizes the fact that Assam is emerging as a new investment destination in Eastern India. And in fact, the GDP growth is also noticeable in Assam. The overall revenue growth has been more than 53%, which is very commendable. And therefore, the Chief Minister says that there is an environment for expansion of business as well as opportunities in Assam. And perhaps the biggest example for that is the fact that Tata Group is going to set up a semiconductor unit in Assam. There are also investments coming in terms of mobile manufacturing, and many other manufacturing units are also now setting up their plants in Assam.